Chapter 2. More on MS Windows 7. Introduction. You have learnt about MS Windows operating system in your previous classes. By now, you know what a window in Windows operating system is. Look at the picture given below. Components of a window. Let us study the components of an open window. For example, the window appearing on opening computer icon on the desktop. Address bar. Address bar shows the location or address of the current window. Computer, local disk. Menu control bar. This contains various menus and icons to work in a window. Back button. This button takes you to the previously viewed folder. Forward button. When you move to the previously viewed folder and want to come back to the same folder you were in, use this button. Minimize button. If you click this button, the window shrinks to the taskbar. Maximize button. It is used to increase the size of the window to its maximum. Restore button. When you maximize a window, the maximum button looks like this. It resizes the window back to its original size. Close button. You can close a window by clicking this button. Scroll bar. When the matter contained in a window is more than its displayed area, the scroll bar appears. There are two scroll bars. Horizontal, vertical. To scroll, click the arrowhead buttons present at both the ends of the scroll bar. Status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of a window. It displays the status of the file or folder, like the number of objects present in a window, date of creation, and modification of the file. Moving a window. To move a window, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the top left corner of the window. A menu appears. Step 2. Click the Move option. Now, move the window to the desired location using arrow keys and then press the Enter key to finish it. Or, you can also move a window by holding it from the title bar and dragging it to the desired location. Resizing a window. To resize a window, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the top left corner of the window. A menu appears. Step 2. Click the Size option. Now, resize the window to the desired size using arrow keys and then press the Enter key to finish it. Remember, a window cannot be moved or resized when it is maximized. Control panel. In your previous class, you have learned about desktop background, window color, and screensavers. You also know how to change them using the control panel. Now, you will learn more about the control panel of MS Windows 7. Control panel contains a number of icons or items. All these icons help to manage different resources and functioning of the computer system. In simple words, control panel is like a command center of your computer. You can easily control different devices attached to the computer system. You can also use it to change display settings, add or remove a program, change date and time, etc. Opening the control panel. By now, it is clear that you can easily change the settings of the computer using the control panel. To open the control panel window, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click the Control Panel option. The control panel window appears on the screen. This is the category view of control panel. You can change the view of your control panel to large icons view or small icons view by clicking the category button and selecting the required option. The large icons and small icons view display a complete list of all items in the control panel. Remember, Never make unnecessary changes in the settings of your computer. If required, do in the presence of your teacher or someone who has a good knowledge of computer.
Changing the appearance of windows. In the previous class, you have learned to change the desktop background and also to set a screensaver. The appearance and personalization option is used to change the display settings of the window. This means that the desktop background, font colors, font styles, window color, sounds can be set by you as you desire. To change the appearance of the windows of your computer, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Open the control panel and click the Appearance and Personalization option. You get a list of options. Step 2. Click the Personalization option. Step 3. Choose any theme and click to apply it to your computer. The applied theme changes the window color, screensaver, desktop background, and sounds of your system. Customizing the taskbar. Step 1. Open Control Panel and click the Appearance and Personalization option. Step 2. Click Taskbar and Start menu. Step 3. Click the required options in the Taskbar and Start menu properties dialog box. For example, auto-hide the taskbar, use arrow peek to preview the desktop, etc. If you check this option, the taskbar disappears. Use arrow peek. Arrow peek feature of Windows 7 lets you peek into your desktop if you have lots of windows open. This means all open windows turn transparent, so you can see what's on your desktop. Check Use arrow peek to preview the desktop option to activate this feature. Step 4. Click Apply button, then click OK. Note: to see the hidden taskbar, move the mouse pointer to the bottom of the screen. To use arrow peek feature, just point the mouse pointer at the Show Desktop button on the right corner of the taskbar.
Do you know? The fonts option in the Appearance and Personalization category of the control panel is used to preview, delete, show or hide fonts installed in your computer system.
Configuring date and time.
You know that the system tray on the taskbar of Windows 7 desktop displays the current system, date and time. You can make changes in the settings of date and time. You can configure current date and time by using the control panel. To change date and time of your system, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Open the control panel and click the Clock, Language and Region option. Step 2. Click the Date and Time option. The Date and Time dialog box appears. Step 3. Click Change Date and Time button. The Date and Time settings dialog box appears. Step 4. Now, change the date and time of your system. To make changes in date, change the month, year and day. To make changes in the time, change the hour by clicking the arrow to increase, decrease the value. Similarly, change the minutes. Step 5. Click OK button.
Do you know? You can also click the clock on the taskbar and then click Change Date and Time Settings to open the Date and Time dialog box. MS Windows uses the date settings to identify when files are created or modified.
Configuring the mouse. Do you know that you can make changes in the way you use the mouse? You can change the pointer's type, the pointer's movement speed, the double-click speed, and the pointer's trail. Pointer's type represents the shape of the mouse pointer. It changes with different activities. Pointer's movement speed is the speed by which the mouse pointer moves. Double-click speed means how quick you are pressing the mouse button twice. The more is the double-click speed, the faster you have to press the mouse button. Pointer trails are animated trails behind the mouse pointer, which makes it easier to see it on screen while it is in motion. To make changes in the mouse settings, Follow the given steps. Step 1. Open Control Panel and click Hardware and Sound option. Step 2. Click Mouse option from Devices and Printers. The Mouse Properties dialog box appears with various tabs in it. You can select any tab and change the property accordingly. Let's learn to change some of them. Changing the button configuration. If you are a right-handed person, do not select the Switch Primary and Secondary buttons checkbox. If you are a left-handed person, select the checkbox. Click Apply. It interchanges the button functions. Now you are able to click, double-click and drag using right mouse button. Changing the double-click speed. To make the double-click speed slower, drag the slider to the left, that is, towards slow end. This enables you not to be fast double-clicker and open your programs by large intervals in double-clicking. To make the double-click speed faster, drag the slider towards right, that is, towards the fast end in order to decrease the time interval between double-clicking. Now, click the Apply button and then click the OK button to apply the changes you have made. Changing the pointer's type. You can also change the type of pointer's shape that appears at different actions while working in Windows 7. To change the shape of mouse pointer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Pointers tab. You see a list of different types of pointers against the different types of Windows operations. Step 2. Select the pointer type you want to change from the Customize list. Step 3. Click the Browse button. A new window appears displaying different types of available pointers. Step 4. Select the pointer shape of your choice. Step 5. Click the Open button. You see the replaced pointer shape in place of the original pointer shape in the Customize list. Step 6. Click the Apply button. The desired changes come into effect. Step 7. When all the changes are done, click the OK button. Pointer shape replaced.
Do you know? You can click the Use Default button in Mouse Properties dialog box to change the replaced pointer to its default shape.
You have finished the chapter. Now click on the exercise.